A very good morning, my shining stars. Dear students, before starting our class, today I want to check your previous knowledge. Can you tell me the name of the first lesson from our literature book? Can you tell me? Okay, I'm giving you 2 minutes. Just remember the chapter that we had done first. Yes, you all are right. That was the food that mother cooks. Okay, now we will move to next question. What do you love the most about your home? Anything that you love from your home. For example, from my home, I love my own room. And let me give the answer of one more question, that how do you feel when your friends come to your house? You feel sad, you feel happy, or you feel excited? Definitely you will feel happy when your friends they will come to your house. Good. How do you spend time with your friends when they come to your house? You study with them, you play games, you play indoor games or outdoor games. It depends on you. Okay, so now today we are going to start our chapter number 7. My home. Dear students, I am giving you 5 minutes. Why I am giving you these 5 minutes? Because within 5 minutes you have to speak 5 to 6 lines about your house. In these lines you can include the color of your house, how many rooms are there, is there proper ventilation, where your house is there any garden or anything else. So after 5 minutes we will start our chapter, and when you will speak these 5 lines about your house, you have to make a video of yourself, and in that video you will speak the 5 lines about your house, and then send your video at school WhatsApp number. So I am giving you 5 minutes. After 5 minutes we will start. Okay? Good. Are you ready for the chapter? I hope you all have spoken 5 lines about your house. So let's start our chapter. This chapter is related to my home. So, in this chapter there is a boy, Vivan. Few friends come to his house and they sit there, they play there, and whatever they are observing in the house, they are discussing about that. So let's start reading. The doorbell rang and Vivan opened the door. His friends were at the doorstep. Means Vivan was in the house and he listened the bell, and when he went there his friends were at the doorstep. Doorstep means near the door. He said with a big smile, "Hello, I am very happy to see you all. Come in, friends." "Hello, Vivan," said the children as they came in. The living room was very big and beautiful. Who said? Vivan said. Vivan said, "Oh, you all are here. I am very happy to see you." When your friends come to your house, how do you feel? You feel like happy? So the same situation was Vivan. When he saw that his friends they had come, he was also very happy and he was also very excited. Bright sunlight filled the room. It was airy too. They all sat down on the sofas comfortably. Bright sunlight means the light of the sun that was entering into the room, and it was airy means the air was easily coming in the room, and they all, when they entered in that room, they all sat on the sofas comfortably. Comfortably means very easily, आराम से. Then, "Hey, look," said Sid. "What is in that corner over there?" He pointed to a blue and white fish bowl. Sid, he was excited and he pointed to a blue white fish ball. There were two fish in that bowl. And do you know where that ball was? It stood on a table in the corner. Above it, there was a big round clock on the wall. Dear students, I want that if I am reading the chapter, your fingers should be on the same word that I am reading. And I hope so. You have opened your book? Good. Whenever we are doing reading, you should have your books and you should open your books so that easily you can see from your books. So they were talking about a ball. There were two fish in that, and it was stood on a table in the corner, and above it there was a big round clock on the wall. Beside the fish ball was a vase with fresh, bright flowers of various colors. You can see easily in your books that near beside means uski side mein. There was a vase. What is vase? Vase, it is used to decorate the flowers. It is a decorating piece, and in that we can put artificial or original flowers to decorate our house. And in that there were fresh flowers of various colors. Various means different kinds of flowers. It was a fish ball, answered Vivan. Okay. Now I am going to ask some questions from the part that we have already read. Whose house it was? Whose house? Yes. Kiratpal, you tell me, whose house is this? This is Vivan's house. Very good. Okay, now I am going to ask another question from a boy. Tejveer, you raise your hand and tell me the shape of the clock was square or circle? Good. The shape of that clock was circle. Let's move ahead. You can see, dear students, in between I am asking questions. So, you should read or you should listen to your teacher very carefully. Then the children gathered around it in excitement. Excitement means they were curious, they want to know, they want to see that ball, and even they want to see the fishes also. There were different kinds of small fishes of bright colors and various shapes. Means the color of the fishes, it was different, and even shapes also. They swam in the bowl in circles. All the children, they looked at them with their wise eyes wide open. They enjoyed looking at these fishes. Means these fishes, they were looking very pretty, and all the children, they want to see them, and they were very happy. After that, Aryaman, he cried, "See, there is a goldfish in the ball. It is opening and shutting his mouth again and again like this." Then Aryaman, he began to open and shut his mouth like the goldfish. Everyone started laughing. Why they started laughing? Because Aryaman was doing acting of the goldfish. The fish was again and again opening his mouth and he again shutting his mouth. Soon the children were busy looking at other things in the room. Firstly, so they were busy with the fishes, and then they started looking here and there in the room. There were bright colored cushions on the dull brown sofa. Bright colored cushions, about cushions, you know very well. A type of seat that we can put on the sofas, and dull brown means light brown color was there of the sofa. The curtains were light pink with flower printed all over. You can easily see here the curtains, the color of these curtains are, they are pink in flower, they are pink in color, and even there are flowers on them. "This is a beautiful painting," said Suhani. Can you see there is a painting on the wall? Suhani said, "Wow, such a beautiful painting it is." Then she stood in front of a big canvas on the wall. What is canvas? Dear students, canvas, it is a type of cloth, the type of cotton cloth on which a painting is made. Maybe some of you have at your home also. Means canvas, it is a type of a cloth, cotton cloth, on that we can paint and then we can hang it in our rooms. So after seeing that painting, Suhani, she was very happy. Then Manu looked at the piano and said, Vivan, who plays the piano? I like it. Do you know what is piano? This is the picture of piano. It is a musical instrument. So, who asked? Manu asked that there is a piano, but who plays this piano? I like this piano very much. Then Vivan replied, Hey, my mother plays this piano. Then he added and said, Now let's go to the dining room. And all the children walked towards the dining table because they felt hungry, and now they all were hungry and their eyes fell on tasty goodies like sandwiches, cakes, biscuits, and even chips. So these things they saw on the dining table. There was yummy strawberry shake as well. They enjoyed the food as they ate and munched. You know the meaning of munched? Munched, it is a sound that we make while eating. मतलब जब हम खाना खाते हुए आवाज़ निकालते हैं तो दैट इज़ कॉल्ड मंच्ड. दे लाफ्ड, talked and jumped while doing so because all the eatables were kept on the dining table. They were very tasty and they enjoyed that. Soon they started playing a word game, and then the clock struck 5. They jumped up. Oh, it was time to go to home. Then they all decided that we will meet next week, but this time we will meet at another friend's place. They all thanked Vivan for the wonderful time they had. Wonderful time means the lovely time they spent at Vivan's house. So, in this chapter, we studied about Vivan's house. In the same way, you can also discuss about your house also. So, dear students, read this chapter at least 2 times and read it carefully. And don't forget to send your video of your 5 lines on your house. I have given dictation words and word meanings in the PDF file. Just write down in your English notebooks in a neat and clean handwriting, and if possible, try to paste or draw the picture of your house or any other house before starting your work, and do your work in neat and clean handwriting, because this is the time that you can use. If you are not able to read, so this is the precious time for you. You can start reading. You have lot of time, and help your mothers also. Okay. You know, I want to talk about Tejveer and Zorawar. When they were in class 1, at that time I was not happy with their handwriting, but now when I checked their notebooks, it was lovely. Their handwriting was fabulous, and I am very happy Why I am sharing these names with you? So that if they had set an example, you can also set an example. You can also do the same. Then I will also call your names. Okay? And you have promised me that you all will complete. So, my dear students, have a blooming good day. Enjoy your day. Enjoy your time that you had and use it as well. And don't forget to study not only the work that you are doing present time, but even the work that you have already studied. Revise that also. Okay? Yes. Thank you, my dear students. God bless you.